Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I received the new SSD and as you know I have some problems with my old one, and let's open the box and let's see my new SSD. I know is late because stayed a little bit on my desk, but now I have time and let's see how is inside the box. Yep, here is another one little package with air bubbles, plastic with air bubbles. Yeah, I don't know why, because the SSD is not so fragile, but here is a Kingston. I know you will say, oh, but this SSD is not enough fast. Yeah, for me is fast, and I choose this model because it's more stable than others. Is really good for me, and the temperature is more okay because the case for this SSD is from metal, from aluminum. This is the reason because I choose this model. Damn, it's a little hard to open this package, and I don't want to destroy it because in case of warranty or something I need to have this this package, the original package. Come on, let's hope I don't cut a finger or something. Come on out. Yep, I think that was. And look, the wonder is so light. Yeah, we have some specifications, but we will see a test with real speed on my PC. And I think that's all in the package. The SSD and this cardboard. And let's go to PC and let's make a test to see the real speed for Kingston SSD. Let's test the speed, and we have here crystal disk mark, and let's choose Kingston and start, and we need to wait a little bit. As you can see, is in full load, and we have here 535 megabytes per second in read speed, and let's see, the write speed is something like 325 megabytes per second. Okay, I want to thank you for watching and see you next time with a new unboxing.